Hey guys, Dallas here from Dunn and Watson, just showing you our replacement springs that are available for our 60 kilo, 125 and 227 kilo locking slides. So we've got the 3 series of runners here. We've just grabbed the 125 kilo springs to show you. The springs will be slightly different for the other models, but otherwise the science behind it's all fundamentally the same. So you've got your slide here. Firstly, we always say wear protective eyewear. Obviously these springs are all under tension, so when you pop them out, they can go flying. So protective eyewear is recommended to keep your eyes safe. In terms of getting them out, it can be quite fiddly. So needle nose pliers or flathead screwdrivers are always handy just to pop them out. The other important thing to note is that they are left and right handed. And you'll see that here, whilst they all might look the same at a quick glance, you'll actually see if I pick them up, they actually are left and right handed. And same goes for these springs as well. It's very easy to tell which one you need because when you place the purchase, you're going to get all the springs. So even if you only need one now, just keep these handy in your glove box or wherever, and you're going to have that other spring in the future if you need it. But essentially, once you get the spring out, it'll just be a matter of holding it next to the one you've got to see which one it is, or vice versa. If you've lost the spring, you could just go to the other runner that has the spring and figure out which one you're lacking, and that's the one that you need to use as a replacement. But certainly just make sure you understand which spring you need before you start trying to put it in there. It won't work, and it can be very difficult to try and get the incorrect spring out once it's been shoved back in there. But obviously with a new set of springs, you can help transform a tired pair of runners back into a brand new set that are going to have a true positive lock every time. If you have any questions about these though, please give us a call or flick us an email.